What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? I am here with my customer and good friend Laz. And we're in his house right now. And before we get this video started, which is going to be a pretty, I guess, funny video, kind of goofy video.
Goofy, funny.
Whatnot. I want to show you a few things that Laz has. You can also check him out on his YouTube channel. I have the first link in the description. That'll be his YouTube channel. Check him out. He's got an Instagram. I'll put that right here. Check him out there. But we're going to do a little walk around tour right now before we get started. What?
Did you say right here?
Yeah, right here.
What do you mean?
No, dude, you're
No, it's, I'm gonna put a link right here.
No, you're gonna
Not a link, but it's gonna be like you'll see in the video. All right. We're gonna do a little tour of not
Just his garage.
Okay, listen. This is the new mechanic for DFR right here. What do you guys think? You think she should turn some wrenches? Check her out on Instagram right here.
So mine's this way.
What? It's because when I edit the video, they don't understand. I'm trying to teach them things, you know. They don't get it.
I just gotta remember mine's this way.
Yeah.
Yours is this way.
If you remember Laz, you might remember Laz. He has the Slingshot right here. There's a lot of like exercise equipment in this part of the house, of his house, which we'll see the rest of it here soon. But this is his Slingshot that we did the line lock on about a month ago?
Yeah, I'd say about
about a month and a half ago, we put a line lock kit on this car, and we will be working, car, motorcycle, whatever, we will be working on this motorcycle tonight. I just come over to help him wire up some things on it. We have a pretty cool little thing we're going to put in it, but
my brother.
But the first thing I want to show you guys, the very first thing I want to show you guys, there's so much exercise equipment in here, but the one thing I want to show you that he owns, which is really cool, is this Toyota Supra right here. It is an NA Supra. He does plan on going turbo, single turbo. He has the engine for it in the other garage. Yes, there's more than one garage in this house. It is freaking crazy. We're going to go look at the other toys he has as well. I actually worked on his Slingshot and his Corvette. We'll be seeing the Corvette here in a little bit. But this is a very nice, I don't know if I can, let me see if I can like hop on here. We can get a better view of this. There we go. Much better view of the Supra, guys. It is a whale tail Supra, which is pretty cool. Like I said, non-turbo, inline 6-cylinder, 3.0 liter engine. But he does plan on doing a turbo setup on it with a 2JZ engine in the future, which will be pretty cool, to be honest. It'll be a pretty neat little project. But he rarely gets that thing out. But it is a very beautiful car. Let's move on, and we'll show you the other little toys that he has. And obviously, guys, you probably do remember this C6 Corvette that I worked on. I think we just reassembled it, basically, is what we did to this thing.
Yes, you did.
You know? But it's sitting in here. There's a lift underneath this thing. I'm not going to show it to you because I'm not getting on my hands and knees, but very nice car. I do miss this car. I think we need to take this thing to the dyno. See if we can squeeze some more horsepower out of this thing. That's what we need to do.
Yes. And look.
Oh my gosh, yeah, you told me about that. You broke it.
1 month.
Oh, you destroyed that thing.
Uh-huh.
What are you doing?
Got too close to the sidewalk.
Sounds like we want to drive.
Now we're going to go into the other part of the garage here, guys. And we're going to look at two more cars that he has. And one of them is this very nicely wrapped 370Z. InShane did this, right?
Yes.
InShane Designs wrapped this 370Z, guys. And as you can see, he did a really nice job on it. Very nice. But honestly, what I think...
What do you think?
I think my most favorite car here that you own,
yes,
is, and I don't think really a lot of people know you have this, but it's an R8, which is on the lift above the 370, and this thing needs to get out on the road, man.
I put 135 miles in 1 year.
1 year?
135 miles.
Oh my God, we need to drive this thing.
Oh, they're fun. I just looked at RS8. Or no, RS7.
Yeah, this thing's really nice.
560 horsepower.
I don't want.
That is a fun car. 4-door. That's a fun car.
You don't see a lot of these running around. That's the thing. You really don't.
No.
You really do not see a lot of these.
I like this body style better than the new ones.
Oh, okay.
I do. It's just my preference. So I'll probably have this forever.
Yeah.
It'll just sit there.
Very nice car. Very nice car. All right, you ready to get to work?
Yes.
All right, let's get to work. Let's do what we're gonna do.
Going?
Well, we're gonna go in the other garage
Yes.
that we just came from.
Yes, which will take us at least
A
an hour or
at
so.
least 15-minute walk.
Yes.
Through your mansion.
No, it's not. It's just a little house.
To your little big house.
Yes.
And then we're going to talk about what we're going to do. We're going to show what we're going to do to your slingshot.
Perfect. Let's do that.
All right, let's make it happen, Captain.
Yes.
You ready, Freddie?
Hang on, Fred.
He's recording too. He's going to make a video as well.
Yes, I am.
So basically what we're going to do to this slingshot is we are going to install this guy right here. It is a bad boy air horn that good old Laz here purchased.
Yes,
And he wanted me to come over to
on Amazon.
On Amazon. He wanted me to come over and install it on his slingshot so he can, I guess, scare people in the wintertime.
There will be a video on that.
There will be a video on him scaring people. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to unbox this thing and just get it out of the box and everything, get the wiring together, figure out where we're going to mount it and hook it up. It's going to be a pretty quick install. Hopefully it shouldn't take too long. There's not a lot of room in a slingshot, unfortunately, so we're definitely gonna have to get kind of creative where we're going to put this little air horn. As you can see, we already have the line lock stationary down there on the frame. I don't know if this will fit down there, but we'll find a little home for it.
The GoPros don't hold batteries long.
No, they don't.
So that means we have to hurry up. So we're on a timer.
We gotta hurry up.
You know what we ought to do is buy one of those hourglass things, put them
Dude,
upside down,
seriously, man.
like Days of Our Lives.
Okay.
Oh, we're too old.
I was gonna say now you're really showing your age, but I actually know what you guys are talking about. So.
All right, so red goes to. There's two reds. Why is there two reds?
Cause you fuck one up.
Oh, there's two reds. Okay, so this. This goes to power. This goes to the horn.
Okay.
The gray goes to.
Switch. They ran out of cardboard.
Gray goes to ground.
Don't worry, so am I.
Where's that relay at that you have?
What relay?
That one right there.
That relay?
Yeah, this goes in here.
So what's this, like a puzzle?
Uh-huh.
It's like building blocks.
What the freak flag fly?
Well, at least you said that and I don't have to edit it.
Okay, cool.
Oh yeah, I
Alright,
realized I
so-
dropped a lot of F-bombs already.
Yeah, the F doesn't work.
Sorry, YouTube.
That's okay.
Alright, so. I guess the first thing we're gonna have to do. Well, maybe we can bolt it like right here.
Yeah, let's do that. Would it fit there?
Well, it could, yeah. Here, hold on.
Yeah, and that looks like there's a ground there already.
See that bolt?
And that bolt, actually you can slip it
I
through
wonder if
there.
we can, like,
Put it upside down.
Oh my god, it was so titties. I'm just trying to find like the best spot for it. That would be perfect right there.
Okay, so we just go through there. Just go through here. What do you need, a drill?
Andy and Power Tools, you really trust him with that?
Sure. I trust him with my
What?
car.
Oh my
I don't
god.
trust too many people, but I trust him with my car.
That's saying a lot.
Yeah, believe me.
Then again, I trust him with my car, so it's okay.
You do trust me with your car.
So what do I need now? Drill bit?
We need a drill that's this size. And then we need wrenches for that. That size as well.
What up, Andy?
Yo G Money. We're trying to put a horn on this slingshot, which is becoming a very interesting little process, to be honest. But you know what? We're going to make it work. We're going to make it happen somehow. I don't know how, but we're going to make it happen.
Andy do stuff, Andy fix stuff. Andy might break stuff.
Yeah. I'm like hot. Laz is like getting all kinds of like, he's literally got me. I asked him, so guys, check this out. So I asked him for cutting utensils or something to cut with, and he brings me garden shears.
No. I actually,
Or
this is
sheet
18
metal.
years old.
I don't care what it is.
No, I mean it is.
But yet
I got siding with
these
that.
are from 1980s,
Yeah.
and the only thing that has been working all night is the scissors.
Shearing shears is what we
That'll
got going
work.
on here.
Seriously.
Oh wow, that's actually working.
Yeah, I
Actually,
had it
it's
for
pretty
18
good.
years.
We have
I
the.
cut siding with that.
So
actually does
garden
work.
pliers work
Yeah.
for the
That's what they
win.
I was not expecting that to work, to be honest.
Is that what they are?
Yeah, they're like garden shears or something.
No, that's not what I bought it at.
Where'd you buy that?
I think it was like Lowe's.
Really?
In the
Yeah.
garden section.
No,
in the garden? Yeah, in the garden
No,
section.
it was in the tool section.
They probably had it in the wrong spot then.
Yeah, well, back in 1980. That worked, right?
Yeah, it works kind of.
What do you mean kind of?
I mean, it works. It's sealed.
Yeah.
See what?
This is literally just a video. This is just a video.
This is just a video. There's no introduction on this. We should start right here, right now. Well, actually, we already started, I think.
So,
Right.
okay, yeah. So we have the air horn hooked up. We have it wired up. We have the button hidden down here underneath the dash. That way, he said if you got pulled over by a cop, he doesn't want to.
We all were like, he's gonna
Yeah,
press the
we're
button.
I gotta get the full effect here.
Yes. All right.
There we go.
Yes.
Dude, that's gonna be.
Because Andy's so short and he has to move the seat.
What?
Oh man, that's messed up.
All right, you ready?
You can edit it.
You ready?
We're gonna test it, guys.
We're
It
gonna
should
test it.
work.
Here we go.
Here we go. Everything's wired up correctly.
That's loud. That's loud. That is way loud. This is gonna be interesting. Next video, you're definitely gonna have to watch.
But when you're driving this thing, you know what I mean? You're gonna have to be like, you're gonna have to reach for it. You know what I
Yeah,
mean? You have to
and
reach
that's
for
okay
it.
though.
Jeez
I like reaching for it.
Louise.
Because think about it, I'm not actually touching the steering wheel, which is where
Yeah.
the horn is. So nobody's really gonna even probably think it's coming
You
from
can't even put
here.
your foot up there and get it with your foot.
Can you? Well, that's even better. You can do it with your foot.
If you're sitting back here, you'd be like, yeah, what's up, everybody? How you doing? Wasn't me! No hand!
Yes, I like that. Definitely, I like that.
Oh my god.
That
Could
is
you
pretty cool.
imagine doing it with a person like riding a bicycle and you just
Oh, we
let-
are.
Like,
They're
what
gonna
happened?
they're gonna fly off their bike.
I don't know what's going on
You're
here.
dying. They're gonna
Crazy.
fly off their bike and be like, what the hell?
Yes, definitely it's gonna work. I like that. That was cool.
That was a cute face you did.
You like that?
I like that.
Just
That's
don't
a
do
right
all
Well,
size
hop on in here and try it out. Oh my god.
Yeah, that is cool. I like that.
Don't worry about the
Nice.
wiring, guys. We're gonna fix that later.
Yeah, we'll fix all
Yeah, it
that
just looks
We
wiring.
just wanted to get it hooked up to make it look good. That way it worked and stuff. It doesn't look good, but it's gonna work.
Oh yeah, I like that.
All right,
That
hop on
is
in
cool.
there. Hop on in there, boss.
All right, so. Yep.
She's gonna hold both cameras now.
All right. Yeah, this is cool.
Don't get them mixed up.
Okay.
I won't.
Come on,
His is in my left, yours is in my
Oh,
right.
hey, by the way, my foot don't fit.
It's too big.
It's too big.
Can you reach down there with your hand?
My foot don't fit.
Are you ready?
Yeah, it don't fit.
Again,
Alright.
that's what she said.
Go ahead and do it.
The foot don't fit.
Do it. I'm running out of
Oh, I'm
Instagram.
sorry. Ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
Can your neighbors hear this?
What do you think?
How loud it is?
Yeah.
It blows my eardrums.
Blows
That
my
is
eardrums.
loud. That
Do
is
you like
loud.
it? Are
Yeah,
you-
I love it.
I think we need it to be louder.
How can you do that?
Add 3 more.
Can we do that?
No, I'm not doing
Okay.
You don't even have 3 more to do.
Amazon does.
that. Amazon probably has 300 more to do. They
Yeah,
probably
no,
have 300 more to do. Well, that's it, guys.
Yep.
That's it. You're happy.
Yes, I'm
This
very
is-
happy.
This is a house
That
call.
turned out
We made a
awesome.
house call.
Yes, Andy made a house call. Did an awesome job. This is cool. I love it. I
Oh,
can't wait
man.
to take this out for a drive.
That's gonna be
Definitely
pretty
gonna have to
funny.
check out
That's
the
gonna be
next
pretty
video.
funny. Definitely
Yes,
funny.
That's gonna be fun. Oh yeah.
Go to like a skating rink, like at the end of the night when everyone's leaving.
And then just
Be like,
I just can't use
"Ah!"
my foot though.
Yeah, you can't use your foot. You got to get smaller toes.
Or we
something.
can do it better.
So
What's
then
that?
I can
We
drive
can-
it.
no,
I
we
can
can do
drive
it.
it because I'm smaller.
Well, here, try it.
Seriously?
See if your foot fits. I don't mind though. Seriously.
I don't even know where
I
you
can't
got
even
it.
come close.
Some women when they're angry ask if the foot
Wait,
fits.
where'd you put the button?
Right
It's
there.
right
All the way
there.
up there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. Your foot fits.
It fits perfect right up there.
So that's what you do.
That's
You hook
funny.
up the GoPros to a car, send her front, she blows the horn.
True story. All right, guys, we are all done. The entire wiring is done on this Slingshot. It was pretty fun. It was nice to come over here and say hi.
Yeah,
First time
thank
I've been
you.
over here, see all your freaking nice cars and everything. You
Thanks
know
for
what I mean? So I'm very. She's like behind me, weirdo. Oh
Just grab my Red Bull.
my god.
Oh my god.
All right,
that's
guys.
scary.
Wow, demonetized. Demonetized again. Again, guys. Again.
I stopped.
I'm probably not gonna hang out with her anymore.
I'm bad influence.
Other than that, guys, if you enjoyed the video, do me a big favor, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing. Facebook is also Diablo Formula Racing. Deuces, guys.